Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.02. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of -17.81%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.89% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further downward movement is anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 13.48% over the coming 3 months, with potential returns ranging between -26.93% and +17.08%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -9.58%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -21.72% to +71.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would indicate a future price range between $2.82 and $6.16. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock price up 2.13% on Monday. The NIO stock price increased by 2.13% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of April, 2025. The stock rose from $3.53 to $3.60. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.74%, reaching a low of $3.48 and a high of $3.61. The price has experienced an upward trend, rising in 6 out of the last 10 days, and increasing by 4.05% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume also increased on the last day, with an additional 4 million shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 27 million shares changed hands for approximately $96.76 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 53.31%, or $4.11, below the 52-week high, and 94.63%, or $63.39, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has recently captured attention as Wall Street sets a cautious price target for the stock over the next year, reflecting a lack of optimism amid significant declines since the start of 2025. The stock is trading over 40% below its initial public offering price and has plummeted 90% from its record highs. Market dynamics involving tariffs have further complicated its position, leading to volatility that has negatively impacted share prices. Despite these challenges, NIO shows signs of resilience. Recent vehicle deliveries and improvements in gross margins have exceeded expectations. Moreover, strategic initiatives such as integrating advanced haptic technology into the upcoming ET9 model could enhance the driving experience and appeal to consumers. However, the stock remains under pressure, and while the trade war might alter competitive dynamics favorably, a sustained recovery hinges on launching new vehicles and boosting revenue without resorting to price cuts. Given the current landscape, short-term stock movements might be volatile, influenced by earnings and broader market trends, while long-term recovery will depend on NIO's innovation and market strategy. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Also, on September 30th, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And thus far, it has risen approximately 14.65%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term developments. NIO stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. As the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average, positioned at $4.13. Conversely, during a decline, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $3.53. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would yield an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall signal. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger also reflects a buy signal from 29 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 18 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 22 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 13 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO currently finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52. This level could represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction may be expected when this support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 130 cents, or 3.74% between its high and low. For the last week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 3.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a figure of negative 0.13. It's important to monitor these estimates, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this might be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.52. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and we have not established a stop loss. Is NIO stock a good purchase? NIO presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we predict NIO will open lower by approximately 3.67 cents, starting at $3.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.